Imagine a future where artificial intelligence surpasses human capabilities, where AI not only mimics human actions but also understands, learns, and evolves. This is the intriguing world of AI we're stepping into, a world of infinite potential and transformative power. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Now let's take a leap forward and envision superintelligence. This concept takes AI a step further, hypothesizing a future where AI surpasses human cognitive abilities in practically every relevant aspect, outperforming the brightest of human minds in most economically valuable work. This transformative power of AI holds the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment. This is not science fiction anymore. Welcome to the era of SORA, the AI designed by Openai. SORA, developed by Openai, is an embodiment of this futuristic vision. This revolutionary technology, a leap forward in artificial intelligence, is not just another AI system. SORA, standing for System of Revolving Algorithms, is designed to understand, learn, and evolve. It's a dynamic entity, always changing, always improving. Imagine an AI that doesn't just follow instructions, but learns from its experiences, adapts to new situations, and evolves its knowledge base. That's SORA. It's more than just an algorithm, it's a learning machine with an insatiable curiosity and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Unlike traditional AI systems, which are static and unchanging, SORA is dynamic. It's constantly learning, constantly evolving. It's not confined to a fixed set of rules or parameters. It's designed to adapt, to grow, to evolve. And it's not just about learning and evolving. SORA is designed to understand. It's designed to comprehend the nuances of human language, the subtleties of human emotion, the complexity of human thought. It's not just processing data, it's understanding it. It's not just analyzing information, it's comprehending it. SORA is designed to be a true partner for humans, a companion that understands us, that learns from us, that grows with us. It's not a tool, it's a companion. It's not a machine, it's a partner. But what sets SORA apart is its capabilities. It's not just an AI, it's a multimedia powerhouse. It can process text, images, audio, video, and more. It can generate content, create simulations, even produce films. It's a master of all trades, a jack of all trades, and a master of none. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. SORA's true power lies in its ability to generate video from text. This unique capability, a first in the world of AI, is set to revolutionize the way we create, consume, and interact with content. It's not just a new technology, it's a new era, and it's just the beginning. Imagine writing a sentence and seeing it come to life in a video. That's what SORA does. This statement might seem straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's the magic that OpenAI's SORA is capable of. It's the remarkable feature of text-to-video generation, and it's as amazing as it sounds. Text-to-video generation, in essence, is a process where written text is transformed into moving images. It's about creating a visual representation of what's written. It's about breathing life into words. And SORA, with its sophisticated AI algorithms, is pioneering this innovation. SORA is designed to understand the context of the text, interpret the semantics, and then generate a sequence of images that accurately represent the text. It's like having a personal movie director inside your computer, taking your written words and turning them into a cinematic experience. This feature of SORA is not just about entertainment, it's about revolutionizing the way we communicate and express ideas. Think about it. With text-to-video generation, you can explain complex concepts with a simple paragraph, and SORA will generate a video to illustrate your point. It can be a game changer in education, making learning more interactive and engaging. This technology can also be a powerful tool for storytellers and content creators. Imagine writing a script for a short film and then seeing it come to life on the screen without the need for a camera crew or actors. It's about democratizing the process of video creation, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills or resources. But as with any powerful technology, text-to-video generation also comes with its own set of challenges. It raises questions about authenticity and manipulation. It brings to the forefront the debate about AI ethics and the need for regulations. This incredible capability opens up endless possibilities, but it also raises some serious questions. The future with SORA is indeed exciting, but it's also something we need to approach with caution and responsibility. As amazing as SORA is, it also brings us face to face with some daunting realities. The potential impact of SORA on society is colossal. We're talking about a tool that can create realistic, contextually accurate videos from nothing but text. This could revolutionize industries, from film and television to advertising and education. Imagine a world where directors can visualize scripts instantly, where teachers can create engaging content on the fly, where advertisers can test multiple iterations of an ad in real time. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ability to fabricate reality so convincingly has profound ethical and security implications. In the wrong hands, SORA could be used to create deepfakes, misleading propaganda, or even to impersonate individuals for malicious purposes. It's not hard to see why this could be a cause for concern. So what's the solution? Regulation is one approach. Just as we regulate other powerful technologies, we could establish rules and guidelines for the use of AI text-to-video tools. This could help prevent misuse and ensure that these tools are used in a way that benefits society. However, regulation is a tricky business. It's a delicate balancing act between fostering innovation and protecting society. Regulate too heavily, and you risk stifling creativity and progress. Regulate too lightly, and you leave the door open for misuse. It's a tightrope we're going to have to learn to walk. We also need to consider the impact on jobs. As with any technological advancement, there's the potential for job displacement. Industries that rely heavily on video production could see significant changes. It's crucial that we prepare for this shift, helping those affected transition into new roles. The advent of SORA is both exciting and terrifying, a testament to the power of AI. It's a glimpse into a future where the line between reality and artificiality is increasingly blurred. As we move forward, we must navigate this new landscape with care, ensuring that we harness the power of SORA for the greater good. Despite the challenges, the future with SORA is promising. Picture a world where education is transformed, where SORA aids in creating dynamic, tailored learning materials, making education more interactive and personalized than ever before. Now imagine the entertainment industry, where script writing, video creation, and even game development are revolutionized by this powerful AI platform. Think of the countless research possibilities, with SORA synthesizing complex data into understandable visual content, accelerating the pace of discovery and understanding. But it doesn't stop there. SORA is set to redefine the way we interact with technology, bringing a more intuitive and immersive experience. It's not just about creating videos or generating text. It's about fostering a deeper connection between humans and machines, about making technology work for us in ways we've never imagined. This is just the beginning of a new era of AI. The world of AI is evolving at a rapid pace, and SORA is leading the way. We've delved into the future of AI and introduced you to the wonder that is SORA. We've uncovered the magic of text-to-video generation and highlighted the profound implications of this revolutionary technology. SORA is not just a concept, it's the future unfolding before our eyes. It's exciting, it's transformative, and yes, it can be a bit terrifying, but it's here, and it's changing our world in ways we can hardly fathom. As we navigate this brave new world, staying informed and understanding these developments is more crucial than ever, because the future is not just about what's coming, it's about what's here right now. So let's embrace it, explore it, and see where it takes us. Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.
What does this all mean? Well, I mean, there's what it means now, and there's what it means for the future. Now, SORA, this thing that they've made, is clearly a really impressive video generation AI tool that is both going to fool people and also be very useful. There's also a watermark in the bottom corner of every video generated by it. So if you see one of those videos and ideally it hasn't been cropped out, then that's at least a pretty clear indicator that it's AI generated. It's a SORA video. But I do think they're going to have to be very careful with this. They're going to have a whole bunch of safety stuff to keep in mind. I think they'll probably have to be even more safe than DALL-E. Like, you shouldn't be able to generate people's likenesses. Like, you shouldn't be able to make a politician look like they're doing something on video, especially this year. You probably won't be able to make Will Smith eating spaghetti. But it also definitely means stock video generation is absolutely going to take a dent out of video licensing. Like, I can basically guarantee that. Like, logistically, why would anyone making something pay for footage of a house in the cliffs when they can generate one for free or for a small subscription price? Like, that is the real scary part of what this tool implies. But in the future, it gets pretty existential, man. I mean, okay, if this is trained on all videos that have ever been made by humans, then surely it can't be innovative or creative in ways that humans haven't already been, right? I don't know. Either way, I'll have all the links below for all the SORA stuff, for OpenAI stuff, and I guess I'll talk to you next year when we look back and go, remember that first version of SORA and how bad those wolf pups looked when they spawned out of nowhere? Just remember, this is the worst that this technology is going to be from here on out. Thanks for watching.